Alright, we are here with Mark Rose at Busch Tampa with the lovely Cheetah roller coaster in the background.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yes, oh my god, it's such a fun ride. Mark is the VP of Design and Engineering, correct?
Yes.
So he pretty much went and designed like almost everything there is, right?
I have lots of help. But you're being generous. Thank you.
You're welcome. I know you guys have like a huge tradition with B&M. You guys have a ton of B&M coasters in the park, like Montu, Cheetah. When it came down to choosing what kind of ride element you wanted, why did you guys go with Intamin and not stay with someone you're very familiar with like B&M?
Well, we talked to many people in the industry, not only B&M and Intamin, but other ride manufacturers, and we rode the rides. So the Maverick, which is an Intamin coaster up at Cedar Point, we thought had the technology that we were going to want to use on these launches. So because of that, we thought Intamin would be a good fit for us, and they've been a great partner with us. So
I think so far it's been a very successful ride.
It is. It's great.
With 2 seating across compared to something like 4 seating with Montu or 8 with Cheetah, how is it going to affect the capacity? Are we still going to see like big numbers like Cheetah gets, or is it going to be a little bit less?
We can run as many as 5 trains at a time, wow. So we can. We're going to get the capacity going. Wow, so it'll be similar to our other major coasters.
Okay. With 5 trains, how is loading going to work? Are you guys going to?
Well, it's a dual train loading, so we can unload and load 2 trains at a time. So
awesome.
Although there's 16 on a coaster, 32 are coming on and off at a time.
Wow.
So it's similar to a Cheetah or actually more like a Kumba and a Montu.
Okay, but the loading is similar to Cheetah almost.
Yes.
With the height restriction of 48 inches, how did you guys get that height restriction? I know a lot of other engines have higher height restrictions, like 4 inches.
Well, from the very beginning in our design, we wanted to have a coaster that would mimic what a Cheetah might feel like running, and Cheetahs are so graceful and quick. We thought if we had that and mimicked that the lateral forces in the ride would not be severe. So we would be very comfortable with a smaller guest down to 48 inches riding. And I think that we nailed those behaviors and those maneuvers throughout the ride. And we've had 48-inch guests ride it, and they love it.
Wow.
So we can have a whole range of people that can ride this roller coaster.
That's good. When you guys originally made the decision, did you guys go with, when you picked Intamin, had you thought of maybe going with anybody else after you had spoken to everybody in the industry?
Yes, we were entertaining all proposals, and in the end, of course, Intamin was a good fit for us. But we were talking to all of our partners in the industry up until that point, so they all had a shot.
With the LSMs, what made you guys pick the LSMs over something like a hydraulic launch? Is it because it's like more reliable, or it's better technology to use?
We like the Maverick at Cedar Point, so we like that feel, we like that technology. There are hydraulic systems out there that have had problems with failures, with cables breaking, with other things that have been problems, and we just thought this was the best fit for us.
So in the end, it'd be less of a hassle and you have a more reliable system.
That's what we're hoping for. We're shooting for. Yes.
So far, so good. Right?
Yes, it's been great.
Do you have any other questions? I think that's it.
Well, all of your readers and all of your viewers need to come out to Busch Gardens in Tampa to ride Cheetah Hunt, because it is unbelievably good.
Definitely, it's a very fun ride.
Definitely.
Thank you.